Here today, going to be opening up hobby box number 13 out of my case of archive signatures. I got my case from Blowout Cards. Got a really good deal on it. Could not pass it up. Definitely always a great idea to wait until they have some really nice sales and coupons and buy stuff that you like. That's what I do. Alright. There's our card. So let's see what we got. Something refractory. I can tell by the little edge of the card is rainbowy colored. Evolution card here. Oh, we got Chewbacca. Ah, cool. Wish he would. A lot of the ones on these are in gold ink, so it's easier to see. That one's really hard to see the auto, but that's the Junis Sutamo. 14 out of 26, Chewbacca. Pretty tough to see the auto. Yeah, you can see it right there. Very cool. Definitely always nice to get a Chewbacca auto for the collection. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.